got too many supervisors. Forms are coming off good. We'll get this checked off the list. Concrete's looking good. And then we'll start building some walls. We're just moving right along. That's all I got for you guys today. Fairly productive day. We got all the forms pulled out on the inside, leveled out the rock, built 6 walls, and even with the rain in the morning. So stay tuned for the next couple videos. We'll start putting up the walls, and you guys are going to see how this progresses, and hopefully you guys are getting some information from this. You know, this is a big project, so just keep that in mind, right? So it's like one guy, and then my buddy Greg's helping me out quite a bit. Greg, I know you watch these videos. I really appreciate your help, and you guys are going to get to see Greg a little bit later in the videos, and he's going to explain to you some of the things that we're doing and why we came up with the ideas. But hopefully you guys are getting some good nuggets from the video so far. Everything's fine. Don't forget, we're going to be in Hannibal, Missouri, August 12th and 13th. If you haven't gotten your tickets to the Homesteading Live Conference, the link is down below, and seats are limited. It is inside in the air conditioning in a theater-like setting, and you guys are going to get to learn a lot of stuff about living off-grid and homesteading. GMOs, glyphosates, you know, all that kind of stuff. So we look forward to seeing you guys there. If you're not able to attend and you just want to support what we're doing here on the Homestead, we do have t-shirts available for you guys. And if you're going to the Homesteading Life Conference, you can get your t-shirt and wear it to the conference. So we look forward to seeing all you guys there. Don't forget, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.